It was around 2003. We decided we really needed to ramp up our engineering program. We had students designing some great parts, but a lot of things they designed would not be manufacturable. So we bought a Haas mini mill in 2003. That got us started. One of the things we found was only having one machine. While I was very thankful for having one machine, it wasn't enough spindle time for each student to really be able to own it. The other thing was we only had 3 axes, and trying to continue to be at the forefront and support what industry is emulating, we needed both some live tooling on a turning center, and we also needed to add automation to our CNC lineup, and we also needed a 5-axis. Hi, I'm Tobin Huebner. I'm the instructor of the Engineering Design program here at Grant Career Center, which is in Bethel, Ohio. Traditionally, we have career technical students in grades 11th and 12th through high school. We share students between ourselves and the local branch campus of the University of Cincinnati. Those students can earn their associate's degree in MET while they're still high school students. So with the new technology, we typically have a senior design project. It can be an automation project or a machining project. So students will design a product, they will proof the product and make sure that obviously the prototypes fit the need for form, fit, and function, and then they will do a production run. Typically we like to do something between 100 and 500 parts so that they get the idea of inspection, of wear and compensation, and also just what it takes to mass produce something, not make one that's okay, but make 500 that are perfect. So the students were originally given the project to design 500 drink coasters. The idea was to be able to hand them out. After that, we said, wouldn't it be great if we had some kind of unique way to distribute these to people? We had one of our designers, she said, wouldn't it be funny if we could have a roller coaster that the coasters could ride on? So the coaster, it's an interactive. The machine parts are, they had to make a part dispenser. It's pneumatically controlled. Obviously it has sensors and feedback so they know if the part's present. They had to program the robot. They had to design and build a pneumatic vacuum gripper to pick up parts. They designed the coaster that the actual coaster would run through, did programming with LED lights to make it interactive. Again, we're trying to not just be efficient, but kind of grab attention and show all of the things that in automation we touch. They programmed the robotic system and then ultimately the conveyor. They machined and assembled everything that was on that coaster, did all the wiring, all the pneumatics, including all the 3D CAD drawings or models. Industry, technology, everything is changing daily. I want the students to learn how to adapt and learn, because we're all going to continue to update, to improve the capabilities of our softwares, of our machines, the requirements of industry to compete globally. It continues to grow. As we all know, there were a few years that manufacturing was not considered a career of choice. When they understand the precision and tolerance, the level of refinement, what modern manufacturing truly is, I think it's eye-opening, because they don't realize how high-tech manufacturing is and what skills are necessary, and that they can make a great career and a nice living being employed in this field.